Good evening, sir. My name is Hanuman, sir. The seminar topic is Python Dictionary Update and Python Dictionary Values. So let's say it one by one. I'm sharing my screen. I think it's done. I'm going to Spider, open Python console. So the first method is called Python Dictionary Update. So what is the usage of Python Dictionary Update? Is the update method updates the dictionary within the elements from the another dictionary. This is the first point. And the second point is update method adds element to the dictionary if the key is not present. If the key is present, the dictionary updates the key with a new value. So let's see it one by one. I'm giving a dictionary like some a equal to, we have to use only curly brackets. I'm giving a key like 1. I'm giving a value like psi, the name psi. And I'm giving another key like 2. I'm giving a value like sumo. I'm closing the curly brackets. If I press enter, this is a name error. So why it is a name error? The name is not in under the quotes. I'm giving another time this dictionary a equal to 1 because psi comma 2 as a value sumo. And then it accepting. Now I'm giving another dictionary like B equal to Srikan. So what is the syntax of the update? Dictionary dot update tuple of other dictionary. So I want to update A with B. So here dictionary is A dot update tuple of other dictionary means which we are going to add, from which we are going to add means B, closing tuple. What happened? Okay. In dictionary B, you are not given the key. The key is not given. B equal to, I'm giving it a key like 3. Srikanth. Yeah, I think it's okay. So A dot update tuple of B. Then it accepting. So if I check A is updated with B. So let's see it. I'm giving A. I'm running A. So it giving the output like value 1 value Sai, key 2 value Sumo, key 3 value Srikant is added now. So this is the uses of the Python dictionary update. So the next method is Python dictionary values. So what is the uses of the Python dictionary values? The values method returns a view object that displays a list of all the values in the dictionary. So let's see an example in it. So here is Sai, Sumo, Srikant. Here values are Sai, Sumo, Srikant. So what is the syntax of the values? Is dictionary dot values an empty tuple. It returns the values of that particular dictionary. The values method, it returns the value of that particular dictionary. This is the value method of dictionary. I'm giving a syntax dictionary a dot. I want to know the values of a dot values and empty tuple. If I press enter, my values are given. Dictionary values are Sai, Sumo, Srikant. So this is the uses of the values. So my seminar topic is Python dictionary update and Python dictionary values are completed. Thank you, sir. Thank you.